How to turn off Discord notifications in 2026? Well, there are various ways to turn off your notifications, not only for Discord but also any other application in 2026. Now, if you're using Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Now, if you're using mainly Android device, head over to your settings. On iOS, you'll get the separate notifications options and you'll have to head into it and you'll find app notifications there. Then you can head over as well. Now on Android as well, you can do it this way and you can turn off the notifications for Discord off completely. Now also the other option is you can head into the apps section. Once you head into the apps section, you want to head over and search in Discord and head over to the app permissions. Here you can see notifications. You can toggle it off from here, or if you have toggled it on, then you can set up either lock screen notifications to enable or just notification pop-up or both, or you can set different settings for each as well, or you can turn off particular notifications within the Discord application as well by opening up Discord, heading over to your settings from here, and once you head into settings you should find notifications option. You can head into it and proceed to enable or disable certain notifications from here. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.